Hey there, wellness seekers. Today we're diving into the amazing world of dandelion, a plant often dismissed as a pesky weed. But did you know that this unassuming plant is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants? That's right, dandelion is more than just a pretty face. Every part of the dandelion, from its sunny yellow blossoms to its sturdy roots, is edible and offers unique health benefits. This humble plant has been traditionally used to support liver health, promote digestion, and reduce inflammation. For centuries, traditional healers have recognized the power of dandelion. In traditional Chinese medicine, dandelion is revered for its detoxifying and diuretic properties. Native American cultures also utilize dandelion for its medicinal benefits, incorporating it into their healing practices for generations. Today, scientists are taking a closer look at dandelion, and their findings are exciting. Research suggests that dandelion may help protect the liver, regulate blood sugar levels, and even combat inflammation. So, what exactly makes dandelion such a potent health booster? The answer lies in its impressive nutritional profile. Dandelion is bursting with vitamins, minerals, and powerful plant compounds that work synergistically to support your overall well-being. Let's break down some of the key players in dandelion's healing arsenal. First up, we have flavonoids, potent antioxidants that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Then there are terpenoids, known for their anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects. And let's not forget benzoic acid, a natural antimicrobial that helps keep harmful bacteria in check. This unique combination of nutrients and bioactive compounds makes dandelion a true multitasker when it comes to health. Now, let's talk about antioxidants, those mighty molecules that protect our cells from damage. Our bodies are constantly exposed to free radicals, unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on our cells, leading to inflammation, premature aging, and even chronic diseases. That's where antioxidants come in, acting like superheroes that neutralize these harmful free radicals. And guess what? Dandelion is a fantastic source of antioxidants, especially flavonoids and vitamin C. Studies have shown that dandelion extract exhibits impressive antioxidant activity, rivaling that of traditional antioxidants like vitamin C. So how can you harness the antioxidant power of dandelion? Adding dandelion greens to your salads, smoothies, or stir-fries is a great way to boost your intake of these beneficial compounds. Inflammation is a natural process that helps our bodies heal and fight off infection. But when inflammation becomes chronic, it can lead to a whole host of health problems, from heart disease and arthritis to diabetes and even cancer. The good news is that dandelion possesses powerful anti-inflammatory properties thanks to compounds like caffeic acid and oxalic acid. These natural anti-inflammatories work by inhibiting the production of inflammatory molecules in the body, helping to calm down the inflammatory response. Studies have shown that dandelion extract can significantly reduce inflammation in animal models. Whether you're dealing with occasional aches and pains or managing a chronic inflammatory condition, dandelion's anti-inflammatory prowess can provide natural support. did you know that dandelion might hold promise for those managing diabetes? Research suggests that dandelion could play a role in regulating blood sugar levels. One of the ways dandelion might help is by improving insulin sensitivity. Insulin is like a key that unlocks our cells, allowing glucose from the bloodstream to enter and be used for energy. When cells become resistant to insulin, glucose can't enter the cells as efficiently, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. Dandelion may help enhance insulin sensitivity, allowing glucose to be utilized more effectively by the cells. A randomized controlled trial found that diabetic patients who took dandelion extract daily experienced a significant decrease in both fasting blood glucose and glycosylated hemoglobin levels. While individual experiences may vary, Sarah's story highlights the potential of dandelion as a supportive measure for blood sugar management. Our gut is an intricate ecosystem vital to our health. Dandelion leaves are a good source of dietary fiber. Fiber adds bulk to stool, easing constipation. It also acts as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria. These bacteria aid digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. Dandelion root stimulates appetite and bile production. Many find relief from digestive discomfort with dandelion. Our liver, the body's master detoxifier, works tirelessly to filter toxins and waste products from our blood. Given the constant bombardment of environmental pollutants, processed foods and medications, it's no wonder our liver can use a little extra support. Dandelion is a rich source of antioxidants, which help protect liver cells from damage caused by toxins and free radicals. Studies suggest that dandelion may help promote liver cell regeneration, essentially supporting the liver's natural ability to repair itself. This is crucial for maintaining optimal liver function and preventing long-term damage. Take the example of Maria, who had been taking medication for a chronic health condition for several years. Concerned about the potential impact on her liver, Maria started incorporating dandelion root tea into her daily routine. While we're still in the early stages of research, dandelion has shown some intriguing potential in the fight against cancer. Laboratory studies have revealed that certain compounds in dandelion, such as ursolic acid and flavonoids, may possess anti-cancer properties. These compounds appear to work through various mechanisms, including inhibiting the growth and spread of cancer cells, inducing apoptosis or programmed cell death in cancer cells, and reducing inflammation. It's important to note that these are preliminary findings from laboratory and animal studies. More research, particularly clinical trials in humans, is needed to fully understand dandelion's potential role in cancer prevention or treatment. Dandelion may hold potential as a supportive measure, but more research is needed to determine its effectiveness and safety in a clinical setting. While dandelion has health benefits, it can have side effects. It can cause reactions in those with allergies or certain conditions. Allergic reactions, though rare, can include skin rashes and difficulty breathing. Dandelion leaves can cause gas, bloating, and diarrhea. Start with small amounts to assess your tolerance. While dandelion is generally safe for most people, certain individuals should exercise caution or avoid dandelion altogether due to potential interactions with existing health conditions or medications. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should avoid dandelion as its safety during pregnancy and lactation hasn't been established. Individuals with a history of kidney stones should also avoid dandelion. While dandelion may offer blood sugar lowering benefits, those with diabetes should use dandelion cautiously and under the guidance of their healthcare provider. Dandelion may enhance the effects of diabetic medications, potentially leading to hypoglycemia or low blood sugar. As we have touched upon earlier, dandelion can interact with certain medications, potentially altering their effectiveness or increasing the risk of side effects. It's crucial to be aware of these potential interactions and consult with your doctor or pharmacist before using dandelion if you're taking any medications. Diuretics. Dandelion's diuretic effects may enhance the effects of diuretic medications, potentially leading to excessive fluid loss and electrolyte imbalances, blood thinners. Dandelion may increase the risk of bleeding in people taking blood-thinning medications such as warfarin. Navigating the world of natural remedies can be complex, and dandelion is no exception. While dandelion offers a plethora of potential health benefits, it's essential to approach its use with a healthy dose of caution and seek personalized guidance from your healthcare provider. Incorporating dandelion into your wellness routine can be a wonderful way to support your overall health, but it's crucial to do so safely and responsibly. By staying informed, listening to your body, and seeking guidance from your healthcare provider, you can harness the power of dandelion while minimizing the risk of potential side effects. Well, there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of dandelion, uncovering its hidden depths and remarkable health benefits. From its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory action to its potential in supporting blood sugar regulation, digestive health, liver function, and even cancer cell inhibition, dandelion is a true multitasker in the realm of natural remedies. Whether you're seeking to boost your overall well-being, address specific health concerns, or simply incorporate more natural remedies into your life, dandelion deserves a place in your wellness toolkit. Its versatility allows it to be enjoyed in various forms, from fresh dandelion greens in salads and smoothies to soothing dandelion root, tea, and convenient extracts and capsules. Dandelion's story reminds us that nature holds incredible healing power. Combining traditional medicine with modern science unlocks natural remedies for our health. Incorporating nutrient-rich foods and lifestyle practices empowers our health. Make conscious choices to nourish our bodies and support well-being. As Hippocrates said, "Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food." Dandelion blends the lines between food and medicine. While dandelion offers many benefits, it's not a magic bullet. Individual responses may vary. Consult your healthcare provider before adding dandelion to your routine, especially if you have health conditions or are on medication. Knowledge is power. Research reputable sources and consult professionals. Why not give dandelion a try? Experiment with recipes and see how this humble weed supports your health. Share your dandelion discoveries in the comments below.